Hello everyone, and today I'm in Thailand's ancient capital, Ayutthaya. Today we're walking through some of the city's most iconic temples, all within walking distance. Let's explore the history, beauty and a bit of mystery together. We're here at our first stop, Wat Ratchabarana. The temple was built to honour two royal brothers. Its central prang, which if you remember from the Wat Arun means tower, is one of the most well preserved in Ayutthaya. You can even walk into it. This temple holds ancient murals and artefacts. It's very worth it to climb up for the view. Now we're heading just over the street. We're heading to the temple Wat Mahathat, possibly the most famous ancient temple here in Ayutthaya. Forgive me if I'm butchering any of these pronunciations because I don't speak Thai. So a lot of these temples, they have these models of what it looked like back in ancient times. Wat Mahathat is one of the most famous sites in Ayutthaya. One of the reasons for that is there is a Buddha intertwined in the roots of a banyan tree, which I'll show you shortly. It's believed that this temple was built in the 14th century and was once the religious centre of the entire kingdom. Here is the Buddha, you can see it intertwined in the tree. It's supposed to be a symbol of the nature reclaiming history. As you can see, I'm quite low, as are a lot of the people surrounding the Buddha, as you're not supposed to stand over the Buddha's head. Next, we're off to Wat Phra Ram, which is a 5 to 10 minute walk through this lovely park area. There's the temple we just visited, as you can see. Great that all of these are in walking distance of each other, and the fact that you're walking over places like this, it's fantastic. That might be it over there that you can see poking out. Hello doggy. Oh no no! No, 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 no. Oh, my bad. As you can see, it's not uncommon here to be walking around and seeing a massive elephant being ridden by some tourists. But I have been told that I was indeed a scumbag, even for feeding them bananas. But yeah, if you come in here, don't ride the elephants. And if you want to know why, just Google elephant riding in Thailand. I've been able to enter these temples today so far with this, which cost me 220 baht. So what's that? 4 quid and something. So at the end of the day, like 4 quid 50, I think. Here at Wat Phra Ram, this one feels a lot more peaceful. It's surrounded by lush greenery. This temple has a very calming vibe. It was built to honour King Rathabadi I, who was Ayutthaya's founder. So we're now at Wat Phra Samphet. I'm sure I pronounced that wrong, but just before we go in, here is a model of it. So Wat Phra Samphet was the grandest temple in all of Ayutthaya, the royal palace. And behind me, these three things you can see here, they're called stupas, and they hold the ashes of the Ayutthayan kings. In 1767, during the Burmese invasion, this temple and a lot of Ayutthaya was destroyed. What you see now are the ruins, and they not only serve as a beautiful tourist attraction, but also as a reminder of the fall of Ayutthaya. Another fact about this temple was it's actually the inspiration for the Wat Phra Kaew, which is a very famous temple in Bangkok, and it's just incredible to imagine what it must have looked like back in its prime. Ayutthaya is a city full of history, beauty and surprises. I hope you've enjoyed today walking along to some of the most iconic spots with me.